Guys, with this AI tool here, you can create your own music using your own language. If you are Igbo, Yoruba, Hausa, any language you are speaking in the world, you can use it to sing using this AI tool. And you don't need to be a musician, you don't need to know how to write a music. With this AI tool, you can sing any type of music, gospel music, love music, rap music, any type of music you want to sing. Let me show you how you are going to use it right now.
So to get started, all you have to do is to head over to the description of this video or my comment section. You are going to see the link to this platform or the link to my Telegram channel. So when you visit my Telegram channel, you are going to see the link to this platform. Then the next thing you are going to do is just to click on register, and you register your account and you click on create music now. As you can see, create music now. You click on it. Now when you click on it, it's going to bring you to an interface like this. When you click on this three dots by your side here, you are going to see AI music generator, AI lyrics generator, AI singing voice generator, AI song cover video. You are going to see all these things here. All these things, you are going to see them. So let's enter the first one first, which is AI music generator. Now here you can just give it, where you say prompt, you can just give it your music idea, the type of music you want, and it's going to write the lyrics for you. Or if you have your own lyrics, you just click on own lyrics and you are going to paste your lyrics here. You select your music style and your country, everything. You put your music title and your gender. If you want it for male or female, you put it, and the next thing you click on create music and it will start generating your music. But for right now, for example, if you are like people like me who don't know how to sing music, you are not a musician, you don't have lyrics, and you want to create your own music, what you just need to do, just come to this prompt here and you say, I want, let's say gospel. I want gospel music about Sunday. I am not a Christian, so I don't know, but I just want to use this as an example. And you select your music. You put here, you select country. I don't know. Just put it, maybe I want music for about Sunday worship. Then after that, you click on create here, create music here. You click on this create music. So just give it some minutes. Now as you can see, it's generating it. Now it's still generating the music, but we can still listen to it. Let me play this one here, this one below. Let me tap on it and it's playing right now. Let's play that one at top, the one on the top. Now this is the second one also. So you can just put a simple prompt and it's going to generate the music for you. So you can come back to create music again. As you can see, I used the prompt the other time. The first music I generated right now, I just put a prompt, just simple thing, I generate the music for me. So if you want your own lyrics, you want to use your own lyrics, just come back here, you click on own lyrics here and you put your lyrics here. You can come back to this AI lyrics generator. You just put it here, and when you put it here, you put your music title here, you input your lyrics here, the type of lyrics you want and the type of music you want, and you click on generate and it's going to generate the lyrics for you. It's going to generate the lyrics for you. So or if you can also go to other AI tools like ChatGPT or other AI tools to generate your own music. Like if you come back to ChatGPT right now, let me go to ChatGPT. I'll click on new project on ChatGPT. I'll say write me a music lyrics about, let's say, love or Nigeria, or about, let's say, what is going on in Nigeria right now. So lyrics like this, just give it to it. Write me a music lyrics, what is going on in Nigeria right now. As you can see, it will write the music lyrics for you. So if you want to use ChatGPT to write your music lyrics, it will write it for you. Now, as you can see, it's writing it. After you write it, just click on copy. You copy everything and you come back here where you say own lyrics, then you paste the lyrics here. After you paste the lyrics, sorry, you bring it back again. I mistakenly click it. You paste your lyrics here. After you paste your lyrics, the next thing you're going to do is to put your music style here. So let's say I'll just use Nigeria for my music style. Let's use Nigeria pattern. You can choose anyone here. You can choose anyone. I'm not good in music, so I don't know the one you choose. You can just choose anyone of your choice. Music title, let's say Ninja. Let me just write Ninja. So your voice, let me put male. If you are female, you can put female. If you are male, you can put male. Then advanced settings here, you can also set all these things if you know how to set them. Then after that, the next thing you are going to do is to click on generate music here. And when you click on generate music, it's going to start generating your own music. As you can see, it will generate 2 tracks for you. Now these are the first two tracks I generated here. Now it's generating another 2 tracks for me. So let's give it some minutes, and it's going to generate the music, and I'm going to play it for you guys. And also I'm going to teach you how you can use your own voice. You can record your own voice and start singing with it. Yes, you can record your own voice and use your own voice. And also how you can remix music using this AI tool. So let's wait for it to complete. Now it's still generating the music. It has. Let's play this one here, this one below here. Let's listen to it.
Naija, we dey pray for you. Everyday pain, everyday struggle. Musa tell them. Mama wake by 4 a.m. Still no light for the house again. Papa hustle no dey pay. Everything don't cost today. Fuel price high, food too much. Small pikin they cry for lunch. Graduates.
Wow, guys. How did you see this music? How did you guys see this music? In fact, this lyrics, the lyrics of this music itself, I don't even read the lyrics. The lyrics of this music itself speak about the music, how the interesting this movie in music is. We'll be creating music here. Let me go back to create music again. As you can see, everything we choose. So if you want to use your own voice, as you can see, if you want to use your own voice, you just click on. So if you want to use your own voice, all you just need to do, just click on this plus audio here, this audio. Then you click on record. You can record your own voice. As you can see, copyright note. By uploading this file to, you can confirm that the all necessary. Just read everything here. You click on confirm. Then the next thing you are going to do. And the next thing you are going to do, you click on start recording. As you can see, click on record, and after click on record, I'll say allow this time only. Yeah, I'm the one. Oh, in fact, I don't know how to record anything, but you guys are just seeing, because I'm not a musician, I don't know how to record. You guys are seeing is recording my voice right now, everything I'm saying. So after recording everything, if you know how to sing, you can use your own voice, just sing with your language, anything. Then after record everything, you click on stop recording. After you click on stop recording, you click on confirm. If you want to record again, you can record if after listening to it, but you just click on confirm. And after you click on confirm, as you can see, say save. Here you click on save. Then after you click on save, this is your clip. What I just recorded right now is uploading. Now the next thing you are going to do, you can just click on remix your sound into different groove or extend continue to flow. So just click on cover here, this one that says cover, you click on it and you click on continue. Now after you click on continue, it's going to bring it out here. As you can see, this is the voice right now. Are you guys seeing the voice? Now it's bringing out the voice. Now just wait for a minute and it's going to bring out the voice. Now this is the voice here. As you can see, this is the voice. This is the voice. So after you get the voice, just put your lyrics here. And after you put your lyrics, the lyrics of your music, after you put your lyrics, the next thing you are going to do is just click on generate. So, and it's going to carry your voice and start generating the music perfectly for you using your own voice. Using your own voice, you can use it and it will generate the music for you. And you can also remix people music. If you have anybody music you want to remix, you just come back here and you are going to see different options here. As you can see, AI singing, AI song cover. If you want to cover somebody music, you just click on AI song cover and you can cover the song person music. AI music video, you can also do that.
AI vocal remover. You're also going to see AI vocal remover, AI stream sleeper. All these things you can see it on my next video. I'm going to review how you can use all this AI tool, how you can use it, because if I want to do that right now in this video will be so long. But you can use this AI tool to start generating music for yourself. Even though you don't know how to sing, you can use your own language, you can use any language, and it's going to work perfectly for you. So you can register on this AI tool right now for this music in the comment section of this video. Just go to the comment section of this video or the description of this video. You are going to see the link and start using the AI tool to generate music for yourself.
Now you have seen everything, how you are going to use this AI tool to start generating music for yourself. Don't forget to share this video so that more people are going to benefit from this video, and follow for more tips like this.